what matters and what just doesn't matter. Cause now nothing will be just like it was. But you already know that.
Alright, hello everybody. Thanks for coming in. Welcome to Roatan. Yeah, right. Exactly. So they grow in the trunk, and if you cut it in half, you're going to find between 10 and 60 beans. They're going to be wet and mushy initially, so they have to go through a fermentation process, and then they go through a drying process. The fermentation process is done in wooden boxes. They cover them with banana leaves. They let them sit there for about 5 days. Then they put them out in the sun, and they let them sit in the sun for about, well, it depends on weather conditions, but between 5 and 15 days. Then the best ones are hand-picked and sent to us. Here what we do is that we roast them for about 20 to 30 minutes, and then they look like this. I'm going to send them along so you can grab one if you want to sample it, if you want to check it out. This is pure cacao, no added sugar. If you were looking for the health benefits of cacao, this is what you would eat. Have you ever heard that dark chocolate is good for you? Well, this is why, because it has cacao in it. Cacao is the plant with the most iron in the world. It's one of the plants with the most magnesium in the world. It's also high on antioxidants. Has 40 times more antioxidants than blueberries, more calcium than cow's milk. It has high serotonin levels and endorphin levels, which means that you're going to be happy after eating a bar. So buy all of our chocolate. Has natural energy. It's also going to reduce your risk to get colon cancer, heart stroke, improve your cardiovascular health, your blood pressure, your glucose metabolism. So people with diabetes are recommended to use cacao. In general, it's a superfood. It has multiple benefits for you. Now, after we have roasted the beans, what we do is that we separate the outer shell from the inner bean. Did you notice the outer shell is edible, but it's kind of raw? So we wouldn't be able to make a smooth chocolate from it, so we have to separate. Every chocolate here around the world does it. We used to do that process the traditional way, which is first grinding or breaking the beans on a Mayan stone mortar, and then putting the cracked stuff all together through a pan. The shell slides off because it's lighter. And then the nib, the inside, just drops or stays. We would still have to go and hand pick some of the shell out. It's a really long process, but thankfully we got this machine. See this one that's sticking out, the red one? This is called the winnower. It's a machine created by a great chocolate scientist in the States. Basically, we throw the beans on the top part, and then the juicer that's attached to it breaks them, and then they go through a tube. Our backhand sucks on the tube, and we regulate the pressure so it only sucks on the shell, but then the nib, if it has more weight to it, just drops in the bottom tube. Then we grab that, the pure stuff without the shell, we put that into a grinder, we manually grind, and we create a paste from it, which is a raw paste properly known as cacao flour. That is the base for all chocolate, except white chocolate. The base for white chocolate is cocoa butter. If you ever wonder why it's white, and if it was chocolate, it is. It comes from cocoa butter. Now, it's not a selfie because this comes from a compression of the seeds in a hydraulics machine. They're pressed before they're roasted and before they're dried. They release an excess fat, and that's the cocoa butter right here. Now, we transfer the butter or the liqueur into a refining machine, the ones that you see spinning, and then we add different ingredients to make different kinds of chocolate. If we're doing a dark chocolate, all we add is sugar to the recipe. If we are doing a milk chocolate, we're going to add milk powder. We don't add anything else or additives nor fillers or preservatives into our chocolate. It's completely organic. Then By the way, that process is a crunching process in producing flavors, that sort of thing, so it lasts 9 hours. From that point, we transfer our chocolate into tempering machines where the chocolate gets heated, then it gets cooled down, then it gets reheated. This is done to preserve it, make it last longer. Some enzymes during salt water are acidic, so when brought to a certain temperature, they stop. They stop basically producing, and it doesn't spoil the chocolate. And also, the way you can see it, you can tell, is when you get a good chocolate that's well tempered, it'll snap. If it's not well tempered, it'll fold or it'll be grainy inside. It won't have the texture of good chocolate, and it won't be creamy. Also, the shiny look that a chocolate has gets it in this process. Then we pour it in molds, and the molds go on top of a vibrating machine. Any idea why? The air out? That's right. Yeah. So we get the air out so it doesn't break that easily. Then we transfer the molds into the refrigerator. It takes about an hour to solidify. We bring them out, pop it off from the molds, wrap the bars, and they're ready to go. The whole process from bean to bar is around 15 hours, and we make around 800 bars a day here. We have 12 different flavors that you can sample. We also have our own hot sauce that you can sample here. It's made out of mutton pepper, which is popularly known as habanero, and we call it silicao here in Honduras. It's really good. I totally recommend it. And also, I recommend you smell our coffee. If you like coffee, Honduran coffee is the fourth largest exported coffee in the world. We just surpassed Colombia. And last year, in an auction, they paid, a Japanese company paid $170 for a pound of Honduran coffee. We get it here for $10. Yeah. The best part of our company is that we're environmentally responsible. So every time you purchase a bar, you're not only buying a delicious chocolate bar, but you're helping the rainforest in La Mosquita, where instead of getting into illegal cattle ranching, I say illegal because in La Mosquita, it's illegal to clear a forest because it's full of jaguars. Those are the homes of jaguars, so we cannot clear a forest, so it's illegal. And instead of doing that, people can get into cacao harvesting, which is environmentally responsible, because cacao trees, they need other trees to flourish, so they're wild grown, they're planted within the rainforest. That means that people get their economy pumped, and also we can protect the habitat at the same time. So that's our tour, guys. Thank you for coming in. If you have any questions, please let us know. Each bar that we sell is $5. And every 4 that you buy, we're going to give you 1 for free. Thank you very much for coming, and we talk about it.
She's on the floor till it's late in the morning. You drive on my way, you gone on your way, just to get here. Never meant to have it, which is why we got to have it. So addicted, go. Look through the glass, hands over hands, push me up to the glass. Should break, but it doesn't. Should break, but it doesn't. How come was